Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is Chapter 8, CBQ 2 and Lecture Number 9. Student, look, CBQ Nong 2, you have 2 by 3 meter long red ribbon and 3 by 4 meter long blue one. Okay? This is the stem, and a number question, which is longer? Which is longer? B number. What is the difference? What is the difference means? What is the difference between long red ribbon and long blue ribbon? Okay student, let's solve. At first I will solve a number. Which is longer? Which is longer? That means right, given that red ribbon is red ribbon is 2 by 3 meter. Short form is M. Okay. Given that red ribbon is 2 by 3 meter and blue ribbon is 3 by 4 meter. Now our question is, which is longer? That means which is long. Now we have to identify at first which one is bigger, red ribbon or blue ribbon. Student, you notice, you see here denominator is 3 for the first fraction and denominator is 4 for the second fraction. So at first we have to do the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay? We have to do the LCM of 3 and 4, right? The LCM of 3 and 4 is what? 12. Student, look, between 3 and 4 there is no common prime number. Okay? So, how can we do the LCM? You multiply with denominator and denominator, that means 3 and 4, then we get the LCM is 12. Okay? Now we have to convert these two fractions as a common denominator. Okay student? That means write 12 division 3, then you get 4. Then 2 by 3, this fraction, write this 4 in numerator and 3, and this 4 is denominator. That means 4 2s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Student, look, we have got the LCM is 12. Now I have written here 12. Then you see the first fraction is 2 by 3. That means denominator is 3. Okay, then we get what? 4. Now write 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3. We have got the quotient 4. Now write both numerator and denominator by 4 and multiply with 4. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Now second thing, 12 division this 4. Then we get what? 3. Now write 3 by 4. This is equal to what? 3 by 4. You write this quotient. Now 3. Now 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Okay student. Look, divide 12 by 4, then you get what? 3. Now the second fraction, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Now we have got the quotient 3. Now multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Student, notice here, you see, here denominator is 12. Here also denominator is 12. Okay, you see, denominator is 12, here denominator is 12. But see, the numerator is 9 and here denominator is 8. So which one is bigger, 9 or 8? Obviously 9. Okay student, right here, 9 greater than 8. That means 9 by 12 greater than 8 by 12. That is, student, look, 9 by 12. 9 by 12 means actually 3 by 4. And 3 by 4, right here 3 by 4. And this is greater sign. 8 by 12 means 2 by 3, right here 2 by 3. Student, carefully look here. You see 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the blue ribbon. And 2 by 3 is the red ribbon. So which one is the longer? Obviously blue ribbon is longer. Okay student, now write the answer. The blue ribbon is longer. Now I will solve B number. Student, our question is what? Which is longer? That means our answer will be the blue ribbon is longer. Now I will solve B number question. You see the question again. What is the difference? What is the difference? Okay student, now write from A we have 2 by 3 means what? We have got 2 by 3 means 8 by 12. Okay? 2 by 3 means what? 2 into 4 by 3 into 4. This is equal to what? 8 by 12. Similarly, 3 by 4 is equal to 3 into 3 by 4 into 3. This is equal to what? 9 by 12. Okay. That means here 9 by 12. 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. Okay student, look, 9 by 12 means what? 9 by 12 means blue ribbon, and 8 by 12 means what? 8 by 12 means 2 by 3, that means this is the red ribbon. Okay, now write the difference. Therefore, the difference (9 by 12) minus 8 by 12. Now do the LCM. 12, 9 by 8. This is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 12 meter. Okay student, that means the difference is 1 by 12 meter, and this is the answer. Now write the answer. Answer 1 by 12 meter. Okay student, now binary has finished. I hope you understood today's math. or topic. Okay student, now I would like to talk with you about SW topic. Look student, look, this is CBQ2, this is CBQ2 and this is your SW. Okay student, this CBQ2, this is your SW topic. Okay student, dear student, you have to submit your SW copy on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM and you back this SW copy on next Saturday with the same time. Dear student, no more today. I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.